fixing the error that says cannot use content. To use this content, purchase it from PlayStation Store. It's quite easy, and I'll show you how to fix it. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's ensure that our controller is connected. You see blue light, we know that's connected. Now what we want to do is we want to go to settings. In settings, we want to scroll down to system. Once we're in system, we want to go to system software update. Here we need to ensure that we have the latest update. Once we got that figured out, we need to go back to report system software errors. Put this on. Then we go back again, and we go to family and parental controls. Here we want to remove all restrictions. We type the default password. Then we remove all the restrictions that we have on the console. Once we have this done, the last thing we want to do is we want to go back and restore licenses and ensure that our network is connected. So let's ensure that our network is connected first. Let's go to let's go here and ensure that all services are running. So our PSN service status is all green. Then now we can go back and we can go restore all services. We go to other, and here we're going to restore licenses. Once that's restored, we should have our error fixed and the game play as normal. Now if you find this helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.